Good morning, it's Allison, and I'm heading out to Mount Diablo State Park. I wanted to hit it at sunrise, and I miscalculated and thought that the sunrise is around 7, and it's actually at 6:30 now. So I don't know if you can tell, it's pretty bright out. So I'm still gonna beat some of the crowds for parking, because there's residential parking, unfortunately, for this hike, and there's a lot of people that end up doing this hike. So it's 6:30 in the morning. I would be perfectly fine leaving at 5:30 probably, but like I said, I miscalculated. Let's go. Not really on the trail with mountains or hills in the background, but it's always beautiful. So I have my coffee and my I think it's Women on the Road, or no, I'm sorry, She Explores podcast to listen to, because it takes me about a half an hour to get to the trail, and I'm ready to go. The ride there is a little bit windy, but yeah, I got my coffee this morning. Woohoo! I've arrived at my destination, and I have the welcome committee, Mr. Turkey. I don't know how close they'll let me get. Oh, I hate when that happens. But there's a lot of turkeys out here right now. So I'm here, and I think the park doesn't open till 8, and it's 7, because I'm like the only soul here. It's kind of cool, because like the turkeys are still out, and there's deer in the distance. My camera won't catch that, but it's cool because like they know nobody's usually here at this time. Feels kind of odd. I thought for sure I could come at 7. You know, I'm like one of the first to park and stuff. But gosh, it feels like so fresh out this morning. It's just a nice walk. Says no bikes. I just came across some bikers. But George, Cardinate, Back Creek Trail. Finally, I know I'm on the right trail. I just saw like my first I can't think. Usually mornings are good for me. My first sign that I'm actually on the right trail. I was kind of guessing. There really weren't very many options anyway. But yeah, this, oh, it's probably backwards, I think. Yeah. Anyway, I'm on the right trail. This trail has a lot of uphill. I just realized how out of shape I am. But man, when you go uphill, this is the view you get. I wanted to show you one of my favorite trees. It's called a manzanita. It's got this beautiful red bark and it's super tough, but these amazingly green, well, I guess they are, you know, just naturally green, but popping out of the bark, and it's just the contrast between the green leaves, little berries, and the red bark. Let's see if I can get. So funny story. When I was climbing on the other side where the creek is and everything, and I finished breakfast, and here, you probably want to look at that. And I burped really loud. Because I don't know, sometimes when I get in a, anyway, we all know why we burp. And I was thinking to myself, oh, I'm glad I'm all alone. Because I hadn't seen any hikers yet, just the bicyclists. And not like 3 seconds later, a hiker comes up from behind me, and I had to admit to her, I'm like, oh my gosh, and she goes, oh, I'm sorry I startled you. She was like really quiet. Maybe she was quiet because I was burping, but I go, oh my gosh, I just burped really loud, and I was thinking to myself, oh, I'm glad I'm by myself, but I'm not. And she started laughing, and she's like, oh, you know, and then she told me there was another hiker. But anyway, that was kind of funny because I'm glad I wasn't talking to myself, because I do that often. I think that's why I want to make these videos, because I talk to myself all the time. I'm about 6 miles in, and now I'm starting to come into like more of the waterfalls. It's so refreshing. Okay, so all the poppies have been closed. Then I come around this corner and she's open, and she or he is open. I don't know, I can't tell with flowers. But yay, look how pretty the little poppies are. Getting towards the end. I'm approaching 9 miles. The trail was supposed to be 6, so apparently I took some wrong turns. I'm about 9.2 miles in. My feet are kind of hurting. There's the cars. I only have a few more yards left. It's a beautiful hike. Yeah, I followed some wrong trails. That's okay. I had time. It's always a good day hiking.